Hello friends, welcome back to analyzing stock market. So today we'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the forex analysis for 28th of July to 1st August 2025. So let's go straight to our charts. So here first let's see what happened on in USD JPY on Friday. So 0 to 45% positive move, 147.651 was the closing on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I will be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check the weekly chart first. So here let's open the weekly chart. So in this weekly chart, as you can see, the candle is bearish. You can see a bearish candle with a small body and a big lower wick and a medium upper wick. So here the stochastic RSI is around overbought area, which indicates us a negative move in coming days. But as I always say, we should not always look into indicators or RSI. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here is a one-day chart. As you can see, there are some markings already there. Let me just check some data. If there is any data difference in this week, then we'll change the data accordingly. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell icon for more such weekly analysis. So the levels are now marked. There are no as such levels that I have to mark because there are no data changes in this week. So let's talk about the closing. 147.651 was the closing here. The direct support is 147.154. Direct resistance is 147.786. After direct support, there is a support of 146.495 and then 145.968. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 148.232 and then 148.679. So as you can see, these are the important support and resistance zones that I have marked. This will help you to take trades this week. Also, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade forex from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. You will also see a discount code which will help you to get a discount for the funding account. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Let's now talk about my opinion USD JPY pair for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 147.786 to 148.232. I'm expecting a positive closing till Friday in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me know. Also, if you're looking for a negative move or a bearish side move, only buy when 147.154 this level gets breached and a one-day candle closes below this level, then only look for a bearish trade, or else this is the range where we don't need to trade anything. Like, this is a no trading zone, so you have to just wait and watch in this range. My expectation is in positive move. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. Also, if you did like my analysis, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.